हे बडीज, फिर से वेलकम बैक पार्ट 2 में। ये बंदा मानेगा नहीं मर के। लगता है इसकी मौत का करीब है, बहुत करीब है इसकी मौत, बहुत करीब है। बेटा तू तो गया। सॉरी भाई, सॉरी। लगी तो नहीं, ज़्यादा जोर से तो नहीं मार दी।
You should probably get out of here.
Look, I'm not leaving until I get what's mine.
You're not getting shit, bitch. I'll fucking put you on the ground. You hear me?
Shut up.
Oh, fucking shit. You broke my jaw, you bastard.
And still you talk.
Fuck you.
Oh.
Shit. What the hell is going on? What happened?
A little misunderstanding that turned into a real shit show. Don't worry, you saw the best bits.
There's more where that came from.
वो तो दिख ही रहा है।
Knock it off.
Look, this is just the start of a shitty night for me. I just need the money he owes me, then I can go.
What are you doing here?
These lips are sealed.
ओहो।
Why was he hitting you?
Maybe you should ask him that.
I will, but I asked you first.
Investigation.
He asked me if I recognized him, knew who he was. I said I didn't. He started beating on me. Then you showed up, started beating on him. That about cover it, hun?
I'm the woodsman, you whore. I saved Little Red Riding Hood from this monster. I cut this fucker open and filled his belly full of stones and threw him in the fucking river. That's who the fuck I am, you stupid bitch!
Would you excuse me for a moment?
By all means.
Come on!
ओहो, क्या बात। जहर। अपना हीरो पिट रहा है भाई, कुछ करो। शिट। बेचारा सिर्फ।
Hey, Toad.
My car.
Oh.
Yeah. Give me a second.
Oh, no, by all means. Take your time. Make yourself comfortable.
Sorry, Toad.
We ended up going out the window. Couldn't be avoided.
I can't be mad at you. I called you, and you come to help. I can't be mad.
यार एक मेढक कैसे बोल
Things
सकता है
end up
यार?
more fucked than they started. Well, at least you're not fucking dead.
ओहो, जिंदा है। हमारा विलन जिंदा है, पर कब तक रहेगा? मर जा साले, मर जा, मर जा, मर जा, मर जा, दांत तोड़ दे। मर जा भाई, मर जा, 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 मर जा भाई, मर जा, मर जा, मर जा, बोल। यस, क्या बात, क्या बात, क्या बात। लेडी कुकार। न्यू फेवल्स बुक एंट्री अनलॉक। देखना पड़ेगा। जिंदा है क्या अभी भी? ओ भाई, दिमाग फाड़ खाया लेकिन जिंदा है अभी भी।
What are you doing?
I'm just getting what he owes me. You all right back there? I mean, your eyes and the teeth? You're
Yes.
not really supposed to do that, are you?
Not if I can avoid it.
Great.
The guy's got an axe in his brain.
अरे मरे हो के तो छोड़ दे।
It's more from me. He'll be fine.
I'll kill you.
अभी भी जिंदा है भाई साहब।
Let me help you.
He's had enough.
He's a
छोड़
fool.
दो भाई.
Son of a bitch can take plenty.
It's so creepy यार. अरे
Come on.
थोड़ी हवा मदद कर दी जाए.
Here.
Thanks.
Who do you work for, really?
बड़ा इंटरेस्ट ले रहा.
These lips are sealed.
ओह
Sorry.
फिर से. कितना पैसा दिया तेरे को?
Hey, you like my ribbon?
Yeah,
Beautiful.
good.
Thank
थोड़ी
you.
तारीफ करती रहनी चाहिए.
I feel like we've met before.
लगता है लड़की काफी
We probably
खुफिया है.
have. We all sort of knew each other at one point or another. But things change, I guess.
I guess.
ओह भाग गया. क्या बात.
Shit.
Stop. We don't have to make any more of a thing out of it than it already is.
Are you sure?
He's had enough. For tonight, at least. Wouldn't be surprised if he has an axe to grind, though.
या इतना जालिम तो हो नहीं
That
सकता.
wasn't intentional. Sorry.
How much was it he owed you?
100.
I'm guessing it'd be bad for you to show up empty-handed.
I'll be fine.
दे दो भाई थोड़ा सा.
Let's see, I've got, it's 20, 47, 8, 58. It's all I got. It'll help, right? Take it.
It's okay. I'll be fine. You've done enough, really.
ओह
Just take the money, okay?
You got me out of a bad situation back there. Thanks.
I'm still gonna need a statement.
काम
I have to
आएगी
go
आगे
drop
चल
off
के.
What I have.
Meet me back at my office then.
It's a little late for an office visit, Sheriff. I'll swing by your apartment.
How do you know where I
You
am?
live in the smallest apartment in the Woodlands. Everyone knows that.
Good to
लगता है
know.
ये शेरिफ
You
ज़्यादा
should
ही
get
गरीब
cleaned
है.
up. You look like shit.
और सबको ही पता.
And I don't use that term lightly. Some of these look pretty bad.
I clean up okay.
I'll believe it when I see it. Hey. I need to tell you something.
What is it?
बताओ.
You're not as bad as everyone says you are.
ओह बड़ी चेप हो रही भाई.
I'll see you around, Wolf.
लौंडा तो पिघल गया. Hey, smoking नहीं. Smoking is dangerous. ओहो. तो अपनी सेविंग हो चुकी है. तो अब थोड़ी बाद में ही पता चलेगा आगे का. इसी के साथ इस वीडियो को भी ख़त्म करते हैं। आज 10 मिनट की वीडियो हो गई। सो बाय बाय, सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, और इसके आगे पार्ट भी आते रहेंगे और मुझे लगता है ये काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है। बाय एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।